Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Obrewori says that the displaced persons from the embattled Okuama community in Ughelli South local government area can now return home to start rebuilding their lives. This decision follows the withdrawal of the Nigerian army troops from the community, where 17 soldiers tragically lost their lives in March this year following a dispute with a neighboring Okoloba community in Bomadi local government area of Delta State. Also, Governor Obrewori has expressed the state readiness to partner with the African Development Bank to establish an agro-processing zone in the state.
The Nigerian army has agreed to withdraw its officers and men from Okuama. With this development, the people of Okuama can now safely return to their homes and begin the process of reintegration and rebuilding their homes.
Indeed, the military exit from Okuama signals relief and hope for the people who have suffered unbearably wandering in the bush until the state government came to their rescue about 3 weeks ago with the establishment of a temporary shelter in Ewu. Governor Obrewori, while assuring Deltans of his administration's continuing effort to enhance peace and security, noted that his government will accelerate the reintegration process of all affected persons. Though everyone welcomes the cheering news, it is however regrettable that it took the military this long to finally pull out of the community and allow innocent residents rebuild their destroyed homes. And in agriculture and food security, the Delta State government last week expressed its readiness to partner with the African Development Bank, AFDB, to establish a special agro-processing zone in the state. Governor Obrewori made this known when he received the African Development Bank delegation in the state, led by Chief Agro-Industrial Economist Chuma Ezedima.
We cultivate crops ranging from cassava, maize, yam, rice, assorted vegetables, and even rubber, which can be grown in commercial quantities. The establishment of this special agro-processing zone is something that we desire in the state.
Speaking earlier, Chuma Ezedima said the team was in the state to assess its readiness for the AFDB-funded project.
Two specific documents are very important for us at this stage of our evaluation and readiness. One is a full feasibility study for the agro-industrial zone that we're looking at, and the second is the environment and social impact assessment studies.
Delta State is blessed with huge arable land for agriculture and is one of the states in Nigeria currently under assessment for the AFDA's facility to increase food production and create a robust agricultural value chain in partnership with other private investors.
Inside the Niger Delta,